Are you generating leads and sales but finding it hard to increase them without spending more on advertising? This video is for you. Stick around because I'm about to share a powerful growth hack that could be a total game changer for your business. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into proven strategies that can help you optimize your conversion rates. Imagine doubling your leads and sales just by making smarter choices on your website. Let's get started. In the competitive world of digital marketing, optimizing your conversion rate can make a huge difference. Think of conversion rate optimization as a tune-up for your website or landing page. We're optimizing every element to squeeze more value out of the traffic you already have. Conversion rate optimization is the secret sauce that transforms your traffic into paying customers. Conversion rate optimization 101, the key pages. Home page, your first impression. Make it count. Product pages, where the magic happens. Clear benefits, real user experience, strong call to actions. Landing pages, clear, compelling calls to action. Designed for conversions. No distractions. Pricing page, transparency is key. Show value. Contact us, make it easy to take the next step. Avoiding common conversion rate optimization mistakes. Ditch the fake urgency, tricks like fake countdowns can backfire. Customers are smarter than you think. No one likes feeling manipulated. Ignoring fundamentals, basics like site speed are crucial. Without them, all other efforts are wasted. These strategies apply only when getting more than 5,000 leads or sales monthly. Expecting miracles overnight, conversion rate optimization is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires ongoing testing and tweaks. Don't overpromise, start small, test, and build momentum. One change at a time, avoid chaos. Test and iterate. Consistent calls to action. All the calls to action should have the same intent, and it should be what you want the user to do. For example, schedule a call, let's talk, free consultation. These are the different calls to action, but the intent is the same, to get on a call. Comparison, there could be a conversion rate of purchase, freebie, or free trial, so the conversion rate can vary depending on the traffic source, industry, and nature of the conversion. If you want to be notified when a similar type of video is published, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. The Conversion Rate Optimization Toolkit. Microsoft Clarity, see how users actually interact with your site. Hotjar, heat maps and recordings reveal what's working and what's not. ClickFunnels, personalize your landing pages. Crazy Egg, A/B test and surveys. Google Analytics 4, your data hub for measuring success. Copywriting That Converts. Value proposition, when the user lands on the page, they should read your value proposition, which should be short and to the point. Result-focused call to actions, fill your calendar with bookings, not just, book now. What you solve, explain what you are solving for customers or clients. Who you solve it for, explain for whom this solution exists. Describe your target audience. How, explain how you are going to solve their problems. Did you love this insight? Please hit the like button to get this kind of valuable content in your feed. Customer is king. In the realm of digital marketing, the customer always comes first. Here's how you can ensure your strategy is customer-centric. Invest in UI and UX. Your website should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. A seamless user experience keeps visitors engaged. Understand consumer behavior, analyze how your customers interact with your site and make data-driven changes to enhance their experience. Use color psychology. Colors can influence buying decisions. Choose colors that resonate with your audience and drive conversions. Address pain points, identify and solve the problems your customers face. Show them how your product or service can make their lives easier. Personalize as much as possible, tailor your content and offers to meet the unique needs of each customer. Showcase benefits, Highlight how your product or service will benefit the customer rather than just listing features. The never-ending optimization cycle. Conversion rate optimization isn't a one-and-done deal. It's about constantly testing, learning, and improving. A/B test, and you'll see that even small tweaks can lead to big wins. Key takeaways. Customer is king, always focus on their needs. Simplify UX, make your website a pleasure to use. Benefits over features, how will your product or service make their life better? Irresistible offers, free audits, discounts, etc. Personalize, the more targeted, the better. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. Stay tuned, and keep optimizing.